Welcome back, class 7 students. Today we are going to start chapter 8 of your book, which is Computer Virus Learning Outcomes. After you have studied this lesson, you will be able to identify and define major types of computer viruses, understand the impact viruses have on hardware and society, recognize how to protect against viruses. Computers and data have become the lifeline of any organization. If something goes wrong with the computers or the data business, almost comes to a standstill. This causes a loss of several hours of hard work and research. Computer virus. A computer virus is a program or a set of programs that is able to copy itself and becoming a part of another program. In addition to copying itself, a computer virus can also execute instructions that cause harm. Computer viruses are often spread by attachments in email messages or instant messaging. That is why it is essential that you never open email attachments unless you know who it's from and you are expecting it. The full form of virus is Vital Information Resources under siege. The essential resources of the computer like memory, processing speed, data and programs etc. cannot have normal operation and can be harmed when virus spreads. They are designed to spread from one computer to another and to interfere with computer operation. Malware. Malware is a trouble-causing program. It may be a virus, worm, Trojan horse or spyware. Malwares not only intercept the normal working of a computer but also steal important information. Classification of malicious software. Number 1. Virus. Computer viruses are programs that are written with the intention of damaging data on a computer. These viruses multiply and spread from one computer to another through CDs, pen drives, the internet, while downloading files, etc. Second, worm. A worm is a program very similar to a virus. It has the ability to self-replicate and can lead to a negative effects on your system. But they can be detected and eliminated by an antivirus software. These are generally spread through emails and networks. They don't infect files or damage them, but they replicate so fast that the entire network may collapse. Example, Melissa, My Doom, My Life, etc. Third, Trojan horse. It is a simple program that pretends to be a useful application, whereas it always do something destructive. Mostly it damages a computer, like erasing a disk. It is not self-replicating. It can spread only when it is copied to another system. Number 4, spyware. Spyware is a type of malware that covertly gathers users' information through the user's internet connection without his or her knowledge as a hidden component of freeware or shareware programs that can be downloaded from the internet. Spyware programs secretly monitor the user's computing. They can collect various types of personal information such as internet surfing habits, visited web pages, and transmits that information in the background to someone else. Sometimes they also change computer settings that result in slow connection speed and wrong functionality of other programs. Spyware can also collect information about email addresses, passwords, and even credit card numbers. Types of computer viruses. There are various types of computer viruses classified in terms of techniques, origin, and the types of files attached as well as the places they hide. While a few viruses are harmless, most are malicious and cause widespread damage and destroy files. Viruses can be classified by their infection targets into the following types. First, boot sector viruses. The boot sector is the first software loaded onto your computer. A boot sector virus infects computers by modifying the content of the boot sector program. It replaces the legitimate content with its own infected version. Example, disk killer, stoned virus, etc. Second, program file viruses. These viruses infect executable files programs such as those with extension like .com, .exe, .ovl, .drv, .sys, etc. These programs get loaded In the computer memory during execution, the virus becomes active in the computer memory by replicating itself and infecting files on the disk. Example, Sunday, Cascade, etc. Number third, macroviruses. Macroviruses use another application's macro programming language to distribute themselves. They infect files that are created using macro language or programs that contain macros like .doc, .excel, .pps, etc. They infect documents such as Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel and cause a sequence of actions to be performed automatically when the application is started. They can be spread through email, attachments, disks, network, modems, and the internet. Example, DMY, Melissa, and Word concept. Now let's look at some virus symptoms. A virus can cause problems in a computer in many ways, such as first, frequent hanging of the system. Second, causing strange movement or patterns on the screen. Third, showing abnormal write protect error. Fourth, reduce the speed of a computer by decreasing the memory. Fifth, reformatting the hard disk. Sixth, displaying a change in data against the file name in the directory when a virus modifies the file. Seventh, increasing the use of disk space and growth in file size as the virus gets attached itself to many files. Eighth, detecting or damaging files. Preventing a virus infection. Generally, computer virus infects and spreads from one computer to another through transferring infected data using email, flash drives, or other sources. To prevent virus attack, follow the given tips. Every PC should be equipped with some antivirus program. Always scan the pen drive before copying files. Do not install pirated software. Scan the hard disk twice a month. Take the backup of important files every day. Use internet and email attachments very carefully. Brain teaser. What kind of attempts is made by individual to obtain confidential information from a person by falsifying their identity? Antivirus software. Antivirus software works by examining files and looks for known viruses by means of a virus dictionary. It also identifies suspicious behavior from any computer program which might not be normal and indicate infection. When you switch on the computer, it starts automatically. It works in different ways. On-axis scanning. Antivirus software runs in the background on your computer, checking every file you open. It scans any device attached to the computer or any file which is being opened or downloaded from the internet. Second, full system scans. Most antivirus programs ask you to set up scheduled full system scans, often once a week. This ensures that the updated antivirus program files are used to scan your system for dormant viruses. Next, virus definitions. Your antivirus software relies on virus definitions to detect malware. It automatically downloads new and updated definition files. These definition files contain signature or information of viruses and other malware. In case your computer is infected with a virus, the antivirus software will try to remove the harmful files or put it in quarantine. But sometimes you may have to reinstall your operating system to remove the virus. To make the antivirus effective, you should keep updating your computer with the latest version of the antivirus software so that it can identify any new virus. You can update the antivirus by going to its update option. Using an antivirus software. The steps to use antivirus software are as follows. Here is an example of ESET Nord 32 antivirus software. Likewise, you can use any other antivirus like Norton Antivirus, Quick Heal, McAfee, etc., which is loaded on your system. Step 1, to open ESET Nord 32 antivirus software, click on Start, then All Programs, then ESET, then ESET Nord 32 antivirus. Step 2, the ESET Nord 32 antivirus 4 window appears. Step 3, click on the computer scan options. Step 4, two options are displayed under computer scan section. First, to scan the whole computer, select the Smart Scan option. Second, to scan any particular files or folders, select the Custom Scan. Step 5, click on the Smart Scan option. Step 6, the scanning process starts. Step 7, If viruses are found, the antivirus will inform the same to the user and will either delete the virus or will quarantine it, isolate it, cannot affect the system. Step 8. When the scan process gets over, the message completed successfully is displayed. In these images, you can see the interface for antivirus scan for EACT Nord 32 antivirus. Now let's have a quick recap. Quick recap. A computer virus is a program or a set of programs that is able to copy itself and becoming a part of another program. The full form of virus is Vital Information Resources under SIES. Malware is a trouble-causing program. It may be a virus, bomb, Trojan horse or spyware. Trojan horse is a simple program that pretends to be a useful application, whereas it always do something destructive. Spyware is a type of malware that covertly gathers users' information through the user's internet connection without his/her knowledge. Macroviruses use another application's macro programming language to distribute themselves. Antivirus software are used to prevent, identify, detect, and remove all kinds of malicious software. Moral learned. When something is bothering you in your life, be it sand in your shoes, loaned you homework, a school bully, a computer virus, you should figure it out as soon as possible. Troubles simply won't straighten themselves out. You wanna have a better life, you fix your troubles the very moment they emerge and fix them once and for all. Thank you class. Let's meet again next time in next chapter.